Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work starting by replacing the power cord of the machine. You see this one doesn't have the ground plug and it definitely needed to be replaced, as this machine definitely needs to be connected to ground. We also replaced the gasket of the machine, this one that you see right here. It broke whenever we took it out. This is a new gasket of the machine. As you can see, this one is more bouncy and springy, and it actually doesn't have these grooves that the portafilter left from the many years of use. We also replaced the shower screen, and as you can see, it's clogged. There's not really, you cannot see through it that much compared to a newer one or a cleaner one. So we replaced that one. We also replaced one of the electronic connections of the machine as it was getting burned, and we made sure it was secure and replaced that electronic connection. So we did a little bit of work with this machine. Right now we're going to be testing the steam, as it's always recommended to test the steam before you actually do anything with the machine. It's going to be a little bit wet, but once it kind of cools down, we're going to be able to see the steam is working, and you can see it's a nice pressure coming out of the steam one, working really great, working excellent. Now we're going to cool down the machine because we're going to do an espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grains of this machine, otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Let me cool down the machine by putting some cold water into the boiler. So that way it will not shoot, that pressure will not shoot through our portafilter and to create channeling into our espresso. Alright, 201, that is a good temperature. Perfect. Alright, so now let's do our espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grains of this machine, otherwise you're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now this is a bottomless portafilter, so it's a bit tricky to actually get it right. So hopefully I did it right, otherwise you're going to see a bunch of things just spraying all over the place. Seems like we're out of water, so I'll be right back. Yeah, I definitely ran out of water, so hopefully that is really channeling into the cup. But I think it did, so we're just gonna see drip coffee coming out of the portafilter. Well, as you can see, actually it extracted very well. You can always see this steam coming out. Try to get it to focus. There you go. Not a bad shot of espresso. Nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter as well. You look good. Good extraction. Working really great. And there you have it. Rancilio Silvia working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.